Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This Lingala lesson is about phrases and vocabularies. The first phrase of today is Monde Mosusu. Maybe you heard it in the song La Vie des Hommes by Franco. Monde Mosusu means another world. The transcript of this lesson can be found in description. We move on. Zamba is forest. Zamba is forest. Lala Malamu is good night. Lala Malamu, good night. Olala Malamu is also good night. Eko is mutuka. Motema is heart. Now future tense, nako kende, I will go. Nako zwa, I will take. Nako pesa, I will give. Nako singa, I will ask. Thank you so much. The lesson is over. There's a link to my Google Plus profile in description. Appreciate. Please